Now we will construct some tangents to a circle. So, we take this example, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter from a point P outside the circle at a distance of 5 centimeter. From the center of the circle, we draw two tangents to the circle. Now, measure the length of these tangents and give justification for your answer. So, first we draw the circle with center O and radius 3 centimeter. Now, next we will mark the point P outside the circle, which is at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. Now, then we will join OP and we will bisect OP by drawing the perpendicular bisector of OP, which is cutting OP at the point M. So, then you take M as the center and radius MO, draw a circle. What do you observe here? The second circle is cutting the first circle at 2 points Q and R. So, join PQ and PR, and you can see that both these segments PQ and PR, they are touching the given circle. That means, we can say that these are the required tangents which have been drawn from the point P to the given circle, and you can see that length of PQ and length of PR equal to 4 centimeter. Now, we give the justification for our construction, that in the triangle POQ, what do you notice here? OP is 5 centimeter, OQ is 3 centimeter and PQ is 4 centimeter. So, these three segments 3, 4 and 5, they are making a Pythagorean triplet, which implies that PQ is perpendicular to OQ, and we know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Therefore, PQ is the tangent. Similarly, we can explain that PR will also be a tangent. Hence, these are the two required tangents and their lengths are 4 centimeter each.